Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the new tools and I'm going to show you first how to import the texture maker to your assets or to your collections catalog. By the way, if I make no sense, it is 3:16 AM. Stone Cold Steve Austin time. But anyway, I've got this here, this texture maker. So I'm going to show you how to put this into your collections catalog. So you want to open the file called texture maker. It's on the actual on the download. So you'll get the texture maker.blend. Perfect, it's already there. So you have this. So you want to see this collection up here where it says texture maker. You want to right click that, save collection. And I've got it my default, so it's always here like this. And this is an easier way to obviously make your textures so you can put them into your pack. So much easier rather than opening, locating, moving and all that stuff. So we're faced with this. The ball has an example texture on it. And when you're saving a texture, these are the three main things you need. So you'll have probably like this, but you want to extend this on your shader editor. You want to extend this side bit, make sure you're on node. You want to make sure that name, the material name, and this node name here are all the same. So the only way this will work seamlessly for you guys. And it's obviously the only way it'll bake as well, because this is the main important one that I kept messing up on. So don't mess up on this one. And also, if you wanted to, you can make this a fancy little colour. So this is a texture that we're working with. And if you actually want to use this example one, there's a mask image in here. You can remove this and use a black and white mask. And then all these things here will work with it. So you've got the look and feel, you've got the transform, and I've put all the other stuff down here in case you want to put an original no HQ and stuff in there. So this is the template. I'm not going to make many changes to this at all actually. So once you're happy with how it all looks, you want to go down here and on this DayZ Texture tab inside of your shader editor, there should be a DayZ Texture tab. You want to enable developer mode, and then in here your category is what's displayed here. These parts here, these categories. So this one here, I'm just going to save it in special, because why not? In fact, no, I'll make a whole new category for this. So I'm going to call this one example. Wait, make sure I haven't actually got an example one in there. No, I don't. Right, okay, so this category is called example. And I'm happy with how the texture looks. I'm ready to do it. I click save to library. Just give it one moment. There you go, that's finished. Hit this refresh icon. You have your example texture right there. And say if you mess up, you don't like it, there's a developer options here. And this is where you can delete the materials from your library. So let's just say you don't like the matrix one. You can delete that from the library so you don't have to look at it again. I'm going to delete this example one to show you. So you've got whatever the image is displayed here, this is the one that's going to get deleted. So you can click delete material, delete the example, yep, and it's removed it from the material as well. It's removed it from the object. But as you can see, we still got like this these weird little textures in the file that you don't want part of it. You could do the purge, but if you've got like a material applied to the ball, for example, this element Z1, then you can click on this clean objects. So if you've got multiple like textures on your gun, so like you've broke a gun down to like 20 pieces, you can now clean it. We'll just completely remove everything and start fresh by clicking this button. There you go. All the materials are removed from the object now. So there's the new tools. So you've got the delete materials from there, and you've also got the create materials. So yeah, hopefully this will help you for now, because I'm going to go sleep literally as soon as I've uploaded this video to you guys. And if you need more help, I'll get back to you guys in the morning when I wake up.